There's this toxic and radioactive waste that currently is just stored in these large lakes that can leak into the environment, harm humans, wildlife, things like that. And it contains something valuable within it called these rare earth elements. And these are used in things like your cell phone, as well as like in electric vehicles, wind turbines, so clean energy technologies. And the idea is that we can make it profitable to clean up this toxic and radioactive waste by recovering the valuable rare earth elements. So the challenge is that these rare earth elements are really difficult to separate from each other, which makes the system not very profitable. So we're developing a new technology that tries to use peptides, the building blocks of the proteins you eat, to separate these different rare earth elements to make the system more profitable, as well as improving environmental outcomes as well. So we can tune these peptides. They're not too expensive, we can tune them easily. They're not too large, because other people used proteins before. Proteins are much larger than just the peptide. So that makes them potentially conducive to the separation. So then it's just a matter of attaching these peptides onto something like a membrane, some sort of substrate, and understanding how it performs. I guess I would say I'd like to see more of a circular economy being built. You know, a lot of times these rare earth elements are just mined directly from the earth, and of course, you know, there's a limited amount of different resources. It would be really great if we could try to use these other sources, these wastes that we're already producing that have rare earth elements. I think that's a really smart way to design systems of the future, and ultimately it's a really exciting thing to work on as an engineer.